Looking for best crypto exchange in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or a pro trader, choosing the right platform is key. Today, I'll be showing you my top picks and why they stand out in under 5 minutes. Enjoy the video. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes. MEXC.com. Of course, all of the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. And what I like about MEXC.com is actually the design, flawless design. Everything is actually perfect. You could be actually also choosing the different languages here, and of course the currencies from euro to dollar to pound, to all of the other currencies. To sign up and get, of course, exclusive features, you need to be pressing this button right here, sign up. And I think they are giving away promotional credits. So when you're hopping in, you'll be getting actually credits on top of your deposit, and you'll be claiming $20 extra. So you just need for the sign in, for the email and password, no payments needed or any type of credit card confirmation. So make sure you check it out and hop in the site and test out the different features. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about MEXC.com. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Have a good day. Bye bye.